Hey, what's going on? It's Jose Gamer 123, and today I'm going to be playing some Surgeon Simulator Part 4. So, I never beat this level before. I played it the other two, but okay, let's try this. I feel it. Oh, excited? Okay. Wait, what? I forgot what we're supposed to be doing. Thief? Oh. Bro, your teeth. Oh my god.
My teeth?
No, freaking Bobby's teeth.
Who's Bobby? Who's Bobby? Who's Sasha? Who's Kaka? Who's Mama? Who's Papa? Who's Sasa?
Bobby. I
Keke.
don't know how you got one, but
Kaka. Who's Kaka? Who's Mama?
did you wash your teeth?
Me? Yes.
Oh, Bobby. I thought this was surgeon, not teeth simulator.
Teeth Simulator. Hold on, that's in the name, Teeth Simulator. Hold on, your name is Nightwing. No, my name is Nightwing. I'm the best Nightwing.
Get in there. Freak, your teeth won't go in. Get in there. Maybe these? What? In the comments below, tell me right now. What do I supposed to do? I don't know what to do right now. So, gainers, tears. Wait, I want to see what orange teeth so I can like make sure that I'm putting the right one in. What the freaking see? Yeah, like that.
Can't see
Bobby. Okay, right there. No. Okay, okay, the back teeth. Oh shoot! You're one of those guys that freaking freaking mouth opens all the way. Frick. Okay. I lost this. That was a terrible one. If you can tell me in the comments below how to do this part, I will shout you out in the next episode. Like, I want to upload, but how do I supposed to upload if I don't know what to do? Oh, I forgot to stab him with the needle. Those drugs, though. I do not know how they do this in real life. I'm sorry if you're like an operator, but I feel bad. Like if you gotta work, and then you're risking your job when you do that. Like you're risking pretty much your life. Oh fuck! I shoved that up his nose. Okay, that's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed.